All right, good people, welcome back. Welcome back to the Roll and Grill Barbecue. I'm gonna start a new segment though. It's gonna be a segment called Play with Your Food. Matter of fact, Play with Your Food Friday. Today is Friday. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play with our food. Simple cook. Don't know how it's gonna turn out. But guess what? We still gonna damn eat it. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, boy. Alright guys, as promised. Play with your food Friday. So what are we gonna do? Hell, we're gonna do some chicken. That's what I have right here. Whole chicken cut up. Any brand of chicken you like, don't really matter to me. But today I got two things that I saw in the farmer's market that really drew my attention. One was the Goya Mojo Chipotle. I don't know if you can see it. I've tried the regular Goya, but I've tried the regular Mojo, but I've never tried the one with Chipotle. So that's what we're gonna do today. But we're not just gonna let it roll by itself. We're gonna let it play with something else I found in there. Hot and spicy duck and goat curry powder. Well, I ain't got no duck and I ain't got no goat, but I got a chicken. The chicken is a bird, a duck is a bird, and that's what we're gonna damn use. All right, folks, I just went in and cleaned my chicken. Had to wash my chicken. You know, you got the chicken police on YouTube. You know, you got the chicken police that tells you shouldn't wash the chicken, and you got the chicken police that tell you should wash the chicken. Well, I wash mine. So, hey, if you don't like it, then oh well. That's what bleach is for, to clean your sink out. But anyway, this is my chicken right here. We're gonna take this mojo, shake this mojo up, and I'm gonna pour. Hope you can see it. I'm gonna pour about that much in there, and then I'm gonna take this hot and spicy curry powder, which smells really good, man. I know somebody on there is like, man, how you gonna mix curry powder and mojo? That's two separate genres of food. I mean, you got the curry from like the Caribbean, and then you got the mojo from like Latin America. Well, hell, just play with your food fried. I do what the hell I want. So I'm gonna say that's about 2.5 tablespoons. Put it in your little mason jar, and shake away. And as always, you gotta taste it. Wow, that's different. That's different. This right here, I don't know. I don't know if I'm really feeling this. I think it needs a little help, so let me find some things to help. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. All right. I'm not feeling this by itself. To me, it doesn't have enough salt. So in place of salt, it don't have enough salt and enough vinegar for me. So in place of vinegar, I'm gonna use some good old Italian dressing. You can't go wrong with Italian dressing in any kind of chicken recipe at all. And I'm gonna use the rest of what I had. Cause it just, to me, it needs a little acid. I know it's chicken, but you still need a little acid on chicken. And for my salt, I'm gonna use some chicken bouillon. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna use some chicken bouillon for my salt. And I'm just gonna eyeball it. That's probably about a tablespoon and a half. And we'll give it a shake. I do plan on seasoning it once I get ready to stick it on the grill, but I still want a little bit of salt to go along with it. All right, let's give it a try again. Different finger. Much better. Much better. You taste the little notes of vinegar, and you get a little bit of saltiness in it. Much better. So that's what we're gonna roll with. So let's go ahead and stick our chicken in the bag. We got 2 big breasts. Y'all explain this to me, man. A big breast chicken with little legs. I ain't quite understanding that, but oh well, you know. The chicken legs on these chickens is starting to get small and small. But anyway, I digress. Chicken back, chicken thighs. The other, look at this leg. how the hell did this leg come off them big breasts? Anyway, and our last one. So we're just gonna take our Mojo curry mixture, put it in the bag, and again, man, this Play With Your Food Friday, man. This ain't gotta be cute, man. That's all we need. We just need to get in there and flavor the chicken. I still plan on putting some salt and pepper on the chicken when I cook it. And y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. We're gonna let this sit for about 2 hours, maybe 2.5, 3 hours, and then we'll start cooking. Yeah, boy. All right, this chicken has brined for 3 hours. Not brined, but it's marinated for 3 hours. Take it out, put it on this sheet pan, and just season it. Simply season it with salt. I'm not gonna do anything else with it. No, none of my rubs, nobody else's rub, no nothing. It's got enough stuff on it. I don't wanna convolute the flavors. Dark meat's going on first, and I'll stagger the white meat. All right, let's get it on out the bag. I think this is the point when the video gets fast. All right, this is our chicken right here. I'm just gonna simply season it with salt. I'm not even wiping and marinade off. I'm not gonna rinse it off. I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm going right on top with salt. Straight up sea salt. And I think I might do some black pepper, although that curry powder was a little spicy. I might still do some pepper because chicken and pepper go hand in hand. I don't know why I'm using my hands. I had tongs right there. But oh well. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna throw a little pepper on there. I'll do the breast last. Onto the grill. Alright folks, that's our chicken. And it's time to put it on the pit. Our grapes swelled up real good. And we're gonna cook this chicken probably about 375. As long as it's done, that's all I care about. On with the chicken. This is actually the chicken back. That's some good eating right there. We'll go bone side down. I don't care how it looks. It's not about how the chicken looks. It's all about this marinade, this Goya, and this curry powder mixture. See if we got the best of both worlds, which I think curry chicken is phenomenal. And when you get some chicken marinated in a regular Goya, it's phenomenal. So, best of both worlds, baby. We're gonna put the breast on about after we, get the cook going on for about 10 minutes. They look good. Y'all stay tuned. All right, about 10 minutes into the cook, I'm seasoning up my breast, and I'm gonna put my breast on. I'm gonna put them in the corner away from the heat. And just let them do its thing. That's it. About 20 minutes in, let's take a look. I'm running at about 395. Flip it over. Man, really good color. Smells real good. Everything getting flipped over, except the breast. Look good though. All right, 30-minute check-in. Let's take a look. Pretty good color. Pretty good color. I'm gonna do, when I grill chicken, I stack it. I do the stack method. Once I got the color, once I have the color really nice, I'll stack everything on top of each other. Dark meat at the bottom. White meat at the dark meat at the bottom, white meat at the top. See. So I'm just gonna stack everything to one side. And basically the reason why I stack it is I let the juices from the top take care of the chicken in the bottom. Basically like self-basting itself. 50 minutes. Let's see what we got. Well, smells good. I'm gonna take it off, let it rest, and I'll catch y'all on the other side. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. The Mojo Curry chicken, the best of both worlds. I love curry chicken. I love chicken marinated in Mojo. So why not throw them in a Mod Podge together and come up with something great? And that's what we just did. So I'm gonna take a thigh and let's see what we got. Let's see. I'm gonna go sideways with it. Good and juicy. Only marinated for about 3 hours. I'm not really getting much of the marinade, just a little bit of it. I definitely like the other one better, the regular Mojo marinade better. This one right here I think is a little thicker, and I think it has a it just seems thicker to me, but I'm not getting a lot of flavor. I'm definitely not getting any salt from it. So that's just my that's just my review. I probably wouldn't buy it again, but if I do, I'm just gonna have to jazz it up. So again, thank y'all for